Naubos ang mangga.
Ian, come here. Taste the fruits, Ian.
O, itapon na yan, Yana.
Peach, nakakuha na. What is that fruit, Iggy? Iggy, ano yan? Anong ginagawa mo?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Nagbabalat.
Mm. Walang maglalaro. Eating time ng fruto.
Okay, Heather, come here. Eat some fruits, Heather. These are good for our bodies, right? Teya, do you want me to give you the durian? Why? You carry the durian. Teya, you want to carry? Uwi mo na yung coconut, ha?
Oh, yung ano dito.
How are you, Yana? Anong kinakain mong fruit, Yana?
Teka, buksan natin to.
Hindi na ako makabalat.
Eh, kasi hindi na binabalatan yung grapes.
Hinugasan na yan.
Hinugasan ko na yan. Oh.
Ubus na yung fruit, di ka pa tapos kumain, Iggy. Ay, bigyan nyo yung space si Dylan, tsaka si Kan.
Ang grapes ba, Iggy, binabalatan?
Alam ko na kay Malaya.
Ha? Ay, binabalatan pala. Tumutulong ka sa magbalat?
Kaya ko na.
Kaya mo na. Okay. Hindi
Kyle.
ko binabalatan kasi yan eh. Hinugasan ko na yan eh.
Rovic, come here. Join ka
may
dito
nagtapon na dito
kumain.
ng mango, oh.
Anong kinakain mong fruit, Mika?
Apple.
Apple.
Mango.
Ikaw, you want, what's that fruit? Orange. How about you?
Apple.
Apple. You like the apple?
Apple.
Who likes the banana? Who likes the banana? Oh, you like the banana? What's the food of the monkey?
Banana.
Banana. And who likes banana? Raise your hand.
Josh.
Me.
Josh. Sige dito. Huwag kayo mag-play. Sige, you eat fruit.
Si Dila, nakakatuwa. Careful with your fork. Alika dito, Daniel. Kain pa.
Daniel. Sige,
How about you? What is your fruit? What's your favorite fruit, Mariah? Ha?
Hawakan na, wag nang
What is your favorite fruit?
Yan. Wag na.
Apple and...
Oo, hindi yan tinitinidor kaya. Ang grape.
Hawak-hawak.
Ay, hindi din yan tinitinidor. Lychee.
Balatan mo yan.
Balatan. Gusto mo balat?
Baba mo yung tinidor mo. Oh, sige. Kain ka na. Banana. Di ba favorite mo yung banana? Yan. Ang sarap ba ng fruit party? Favorite niya yung kiwi, oh.
May bulok. Pagaling natin.
Tapon.
Oh, mamaya. Venice.
Ayan.
JR, what is that fruit that you're eating, Ian? JR.
You eat fruit.
What is that, JR? Grapes. Oh. And you are holding the mango. Si hawak-hawak niya yung mango. JR.
Ang malalaki na dahil lalaki.
Oo nga,
Talagang inubos nyo na yung grape.
Sino po ba ang nagdala ng grapes na yan?
Ako.
Oh, you say thank you, Mika.
What's the problem? Ay, inabutan niyo akong wig!
Ay,
Ay, sino yun?
si Tarzan.
Si Kyle.
Girls, no playing, no playing. Let's have the fruits first. Joshua.
Sino may kumain ng plum? Sino may gusto ng plum?
Joey, what is that fruit, Joey?
Meron na ba sila? Ha? Friend, dali ka muna.